Hello everyone, I am back with another new video on our GuidePad Academy. I hope you are all doing very well. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the one of the biggest and best event from the Microsoft, that is a Microsoft AI Skill Fest. In this event, you will get a chance to earn the digital badges, digital credential, free certification courses, free swags, and also some gift vouchers also. So in this video, I am going to tell you that how you can apply, how you can earn the free certification, free credential and free gift vouchers. But before starting the video, make sure that you subscribe our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon so you will be never miss any update from us side. So let's get started. If you see here, this is the homepage of the Microsoft AI Skill Fest event. In this event, you will get a chance to earn the digital badges, credential, certification that highlight your new skill in your resume and your LinkedIn account also. Guys, it is a digital badges, so you can showcase in your LinkedIn directly with a Microsoft certification. And also you will be a part of the digital transformation process by completing this Microsoft AI Skill Fest event. This event is divided in a two part. Unlock the digital badges. This is the first part, and second part is earn the global credential. In the first part, you will get a chance to learn in particularly 4 technologies, that is a Copilot, AI, security and Azure. As per your fluency, you will get a chance to explore and mastery in that skill. After completing any of one technology among these 4, you will be earn the credential badge from the Microsoft that you can showcase in your resume, and that badge looks like this similarly. That is a mastery badge from the Microsoft that you can showcase in your resume and your LinkedIn also. It's highlight your skill and you will be get a step ahead among the crowd. After completing the first stage, there is a second stage where you can validate your skill by clearing the Microsoft Applied Skill Assessment test. And after completing this test, you will get an opportunity to win a gift voucher that worth thousands of rupees from the Microsoft. For that, you have to be clear the 3 Microsoft Applied Skill Assessment test. And after completing that, you have to submit one form. I will show you later in this video. And after that, you will get a chance to earn the thousands of rupees of gift vouchers from Microsoft. For the completing the first stage, just click on start now. You will be redirected to the next section of this website. You will be see here there is a 4 technologies are available. First one is a Copilot, second one is a AI, third one is a security, and fourth one is a Azure. In these 4 technologies, you will be see there is a 4 tracks, that is Explorer track, Fluency track and Mastery track. This track is nothing but courses that is offered from the Microsoft, and that courses you can do free of cost during this event, and also you can earn the batches after completing this course. So you will be see here each and every technology have 3 courses that you can do. There is no restriction from the Microsoft. You can completely do the all courses as per your requirement and as per your need. After completing the one course, you will be you will be earn the certification and digital badge from the Microsoft for that particular course. But make sure guys, for this event you have to be a complete any one of these 4. For example, I wanted to explore the AI technology. So my first course will be a Explore tag. This Explore tag is nothing but a course that is a fundamental AI concept. Whenever you click on this, you will be redirected to this page. This page tells you about the deep description about this all course. Please go through it guys. You will be scroll down here. You will be see a milestone first. There is a several milestones available for this course. You have to complete this all. There is some videos, there is some test, and there is some documentation available from the Microsoft. And this study material and course material is a very good guys. Trust me, this is a very good chance to earn the Microsoft certification and Microsoft badges absolutely free. After completing this course, again come this main page, and after that click on a second course and complete this course also. So you have to be complete the 3 courses. After completing the 3 courses, you will be earn this mastery badge from the Microsoft. So this is your first part of your event. For the second part, you have to be complete your assessment test. Just click on start now. You will be see there is a some of assessment tests are available. You have to be a complete minimum 3 assessment tests among of this. If you are able to complete the all assessment tests, it is a very good for you guys. Suppose you want to do the complete the first assessment test, that is a create manage Canvas app with the help of a Power App. Just click on start now. You will be redirected to this page where you see the details of the assessment test. Just scroll down, you will be see here the all the modules. Don't worry guys, the Microsoft fully guide you the complete this assessment test, and if you pay little bit attention, you will be definitely complete this assessment test. After complete this assessment test, you will be earn the badge. So you have to be complete the at least 3 assessment test among of this. So this is the second part of this event. So the last step of event is that the submission. For the submission, just scroll down here, you will be see here. Once you are eligible for the gift voucher or digital badge, don't forget to submit your details for the validation. Just click on terms and condition page. You will be redirected to this page. So after completing the 3 Microsoft Applied Skill Based Assessment Challenge, you will be get a chance to enroll for the gift voucher process. The first 1000 learner will be get a chance to earn the gift voucher worth the 1000 rupees. For application and submitting, you have to be click on this link. After clicking on this link, you will be redirected to this page. The last date is the 30th June 2020. For this form, you just need to be apply some basic details, your Microsoft MS Learning transaction, your ID. You can check where you find this ID by clicking on this. Just fill these details and click on submit. After submitting this form, you successfully completed this AI Skills Fest Challenge from the Microsoft. Also, you earned the Mastery badge from the Microsoft. Also, you get the 3 certification from the Microsoft absolutely free, and you are now in the progress of earning the thousands rupees e-voucher from the Microsoft. So this is all for the today's video. Share this video with your friends, family, colleagues and the students. If you face any problem during this all the process, just comment down in a below. I hope you find this video very useful and helpful. Meet you on the next video. Till keep learning and keep growing. Thanks for watching.